Hello everyone from Northern Maine. Today's video will be covering the topic of recording your screen while also showing yourself on the screen at the same time, also known as kind of like a picture-in-picture. This is great especially for teachers if you're trying to record a lesson where the students can see your screen but you also would like them to see you. This is the tutorial for you. And the wonderful thing, it's all built right into your Mac at no cost. There are other programs out there, one called Camtasia and another one that I know right off the top of my head, Screencast-O-Matic, but those do cost money, but they do have some other features. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in this video how to create the actual recording, and then I'll do a follow-up video that will show you how to edit it using iMovie, which is another program that's free with macOS. So it doesn't matter if you have a MacBook or a Mac-based desktop, as long as you have a webcam and a macOS device, you can do this. So before we get going, please hit that like button below, and while you're doing that, also take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with my latest tutorials. Now on with the show. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to the top right where the little search icon is, and you want to type in QuickTime Player. If you just start typing QuickTime, it will automatically pop up for you. And you can click on QuickTime Player or hit the Enter button. Now, a lot of times when QuickTime opens, you will not see this big dialog box in the middle. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. If you want to make sure the program is open, if you look in your top left here, you'll see it says QuickTime Player. That's a quick and easy way to know if it's open. So once you have it open, you want to click on File. The first step is you want to click on New Movie Recording. And now you'll see the webcam. So this is the first step to get the process going with the picture-in-picture. So the first step is to get the webcam going using QuickTime. Now, if you don't see your image here, you can click this little arrow next to the record button, and you'll see camera, and you'll see all the different selections. So if you're using a MacBook, you'll see your built-in camera there. I use a Logitech webcam. I would highly suggest getting your own, especially if you're going to do a lot of these videos. So I'm going to leave it there. The only other thing I'm going to do is, if you notice, if I come down to any of the bottom corners, it turns my mouse into a little arrow, and I can use that to resize. So I'm going to put it about that size, and then if I hover my mouse over it, I can grab onto this gray bar and I can click and drag it anywhere I want that to show. So I tend to like having mine in the top right, but for you to be able to navigate things, if you need to go into your Macintosh HD or a folder, you might want to have it in a different spot. So I'm going to leave it right over here, and as soon as you see I click off of that, you'll see that all those menus disappear, and when I hover over it, they reappear. And now that you have that all set, you want to do one piece first, and it's going to be really easy to forget. I've actually already done 2 versions of this video and forgot it both times, so I had to kind of start over. But you want to come under View, and you'll see this option of Float on Top. You want to click on that. What that will do is, no matter what I have open, this picture of you and video of you will stay on top of everything. Because what you don't want is when you open something up and then all of a sudden your recording of yourself that you want showing gets covered up by the window you're opening. So now that I have that set, I'm going to click on File, New Screen Recording, and you'll see there's a little options down at the bottom. You don't need to worry about any of those, and you'll see my mouse turns into a little camera button. So just click anywhere on your screen. Now it's recording. And you'll see over here in the top, towards the top right, you'll see there's a little stop icon right there. That will help let you know when you want to click on it to end your video. So you click on that to stop it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a window. I'll open up my browser. And what you noticed is that my video stayed right on top of it. No matter what I'm doing, the video stays right on top of what I'm doing. So I can go to anywhere I want, and you're off and running recording your screen. You can open up any program you want. You can go into your Finder, and you can click on and open up an image if you want to show an image, or if you want to open up any kind of file, and you'll see it always opens behind that window. So no matter what you do, it will stay behind that video window so your students can actually see you. When you are all done, all you do is come over and click on that little stop button towards the top right of your screen. And now what I'm going to do, so you can see, I'm going to close out the movie recording. but you'll see now, here's my file that has my recording in the top right. And if I hit play, you would actually hear me talking. You can see the video moving. If I skip forward, you'll actually see how I can actually work within it. You can see that I'm talking, and you can see everything that's running. So that's how you make a screen recording while also having your picture showing at the same time. It's a really great feature that's built right into your Mac. There's no special software you have to buy or anything like that. I will do a follow-up video soon, hopefully in the next couple of days, that will show you how to edit that video file. So if you make any mistakes, happens to all of us, there's never a clean video that I make. I always have to go back and do edits, and I don't know many people who don't have to do that. So I will show iMovie that is also built into your Mac and show you how to actually edit that video so you can take out those bloopers and things that you said wrong or big pauses because you can't remember what you wanted to say or all that lovely stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this helps you out a lot. This can be a really cool feature, especially when you're doing some sort of hybrid teaching model, or if you're doing a presentation and you want people to be able to see you and what's on your screen. And again, it's free and it's built right into your Mac. Don't forget to check out my site at adamontech.com, where you can submit suggestions or follow-up questions to these video tutorials. While there, you can also read my writings that explore a number of topics in greater detail. You can also leave a comment below or hit me up on Twitter at twitter.com/adamontech. Again, don't forget to hit that like button below, and if you want to stay up to date with my latest tutorials, click that subscribe button below. I would greatly appreciate it. So until next time, this is Adam on Tech, signing off.